Hey, Pig Squeak. Hey, Pig Squeak. You gonna talk? Yeah? Tell Gigi hi. Yeah? You trying to tell her to come home? You telling her that we miss her? Yeah? What? Keep talking to her. Keep talking to her. Yeah. Say I love you, Gigi. Tell her. Shay. Shay. Tell her. Say I love you, Gigi. Come on. Say it. Say I love you, Gigi. That was close enough. That was close enough. Can you give her a laugh? Can you give her a laugh or a smile? Huh? No, you're done? Say we love you, Gigi. We miss you.